Okay, just as I start this, I have to leave, so I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, and what is up, everybody? It is Friday, last day of the week here. SPY is gapping up to all-time highs, and currently looks like it is ripping higher here. Looking like I've seen it pretty much this entire past month here. Things just keep making these rising wedges and then breaking out to the upside, and SPY is in the middle of a giant rising wedge, and here we are again. Once again, shouldn't be surprised anymore, breaking out to the upside on it. All things bullish, no reason to think anything else. I got a few stocks I'm looking at right out of the gates here. Also, today is my 400th live day trading video. It has been quite the journey, to say the least, that's for sure. But it's just kind of cool to see the number. I just made it past one other 100. 500 will be next, and probably won't hit that one till maybe April. No, probably later than April, maybe May or something. Either way, I got a minute to go here. Looking at D-Dog right out of the gates. Won't load on Jigsaw for me, so I can't go for that. Costco is the other one I'm looking at here. D-Dog looks like it's going to be the one to be making a move here. Home Depot might do the same for me. In fact, I'm wondering. Home Depot, not on Lightspeed. Oh, there we go. It's got a little bit of pre-market action, and this 40 is where I'm looking for that breakout. So I think I am going to leave this order in during the open here. We'll see what happens in the very first few seconds, because overall I want to make sure that I'm catching D-Dog mainly. Home Depot more than likely end up risking the whole number here, so I'm certain 100 shares is going to be it. Just kidding. I need to be better at this. I keep making myself a goal to put more shares on, so I'm going to be putting more shares on. Oh. Need to stop talking. Need to stop talking and get to work. Let's go. ZS, Home Depot, Costco, nah, it ain't happening. Unfortunately, this gap up kind of ruins a lot of trades for me. I'm used to looking for these breakouts, and everything is just gapping above what I'm really looking for here. So I'm not really able to get anything. I only got filled 74 shares there. Oh, come on, dude. Don't start my day like that. Okay, got the rest. So we got, holy shit, it's already down there. Stop loss of low day here. Turn pretty quick. Okay, Beyond Meat is spiking out of nowhere here. I'm looking for a breakout at 83.55. Jesus, I can't manage my risk at all on this one. We'll see where this candle ends up opening up here. 55. Yeah, just 50 shares, that's it. I am absolutely looking for that spike here in Beyond Meat. Wow, the MAT and NVIDIA are blowing through the roof. Definitely super strong for semiconductors. SPY selling off a little bit. Philip Morris doesn't know what the hell it's doing. D-Dog moving up pretty nice here. Nothing to change on it. Looking for 43 in there. I might be able to get a little bit bigger here. Depending on where this candle opens up. Looks like we're getting stuck at this whole number, so I'd be risking, yeah, I'm still not changing it. This thing's going crazy on me here. Plus, gotta deal with the fact that I may or may not get filled. And D-Dog pulling down on me a little bit now. More than likely be risking a point here. I want a work long, and I want it right now. 60s to stop, so I'm really only risking like 20 cents here. So I'm gonna go 250. Try and get in right now. Dude, just at the worst time. Oh shit. I am long 450 shares. Please don't stop me out already. Work is in the middle of a rangy little breakout here. Somewhat of a reversal. And I pulled back to the number, held it, came back up. So I figured this would be a good spot to get an entry here. T-Dog's holding up, but just barely. Not really cutting it right now. Work's looking good. Tape looks good here. Seeing these buys. You know, I'm only risking 10 cents, so I think 450 actually is a decent number to work with here. 250, I mean, I'd only be like $25 at risk, and if I'm trying to get bigger anyway, well, here I go. Alright, Boeing blowing the hell up. Next stop is 22.20 in work. Costco totally failing here. Looking for a bunch of pullback longs today. Boeing did it very nice. Work here did it. I'm looking at Starbucks to do it, but it ain't doing it. D-Dog's still holding up pretty nicely here. Big buys there, like that. Okay, D-Dog's going nice here. BYND doesn't look like it's going to happen yet. This will be a really nice spot to change my stop, though, on D-Dog. And I think I'm going to do exactly that. Always got to give it space here. I don't think I'm going to be adding anything. T-Dog about to make a new high day, it looks like. Work's looking fantastic still. We'll see what we look like up here at 22. If it can bust through 22.25, that's a good zone. Last held zone. D-Dog blowing the hell up right now. Very nice. I'll be looking to take off some here. I mean, I gotta give it a chance. But if it's gonna give me a free point in a minute, I'm not gonna let that go. Because this is what we're looking at here in work right now, and we are just busting out of it here. Come on, D-Dog failing on me here. Lots of sellers up here. Oh, I think we got him. Boeing could be a good scalp long right now. Gotta wait on work here. I'd hate to take off this early. But I also must respect my process and do it anyway. Hopefully we can keep rolling. I'd like to see it keep going for me. Just need to keep finding the buyers. That's the only problem we got. It looks like we still got them. Looking pretty good here. That is CRM. Looking for a break down there. And it's got a pretty wide range to work with though. I won't be chasing it. I'm gonna have to wait for it to pull up a little bit. Yeah, work might get me here. Still a good buying on this tape. It's very nice seeing lots of big buyers in here. Okay, good. I can short pins. Pins, I am looking for a short here. So right now we just tapped high a day. So I'd be risking about, so I'm going to get, that's not entirely true. I'm going to get 300 short down here at low a day. Because the real breakdown level is going to be at 55. But because we're just barely consolidating above it here, and big buyer to work with too, I will get in. Oh yeah, looks like it's tapping out here. Lots of buyers here at 89. D-Dog's still looking good. Looks like it will hit 43. Alright, 150 left in work. 150 to let do whatever it wants, really. Next profit target is going to be 22.20. We can bust out above that. If not, I might as well make it low a day. I mean, what am I going to do? Lose $15 on it? Just locked in 60. CRM is making a move for it too. Alright, Boeing got up here twice. 71, 69. I'm going for a scalp high day on this one. Obviously can't get too big. Ooh, now I can though. And now I can't. Was looking for longs on ZS, Home Depot, and Costco, and they are all selling off pretty good here. Alright, so SPY's obviously got places to pull back too. This first line down here is pre-market lows, and the next one is yesterday, or this one is all-time high. If I get lucky here, I can change my stop as it's running up for me. And CRM is giving it up. Holding the 30s here. If it can continue to hold the 30s, looks great. Okay, we are in. Yes, 27 is what I want here. There's FSLR, wow. Come on, Bowen, give me something. Man, we are really getting stuck up here. It's very slow. It's not, well, it's not that it's slow, it's pretty consistent offers here. I mean, we're not able to just plow through all this. Everything's still going normal for now. Things pulling back a little bit, but trades are definitely not dead yet. Yeah, something was funky about that Boeing trade. I'm not sure what it was. Couldn't get through those offers. They seemed a little too thick or something. Oh, I can't take that. It is at a breakout spot though. Looking for a good move on FSLR finally. 32 was the level to beat. And I would have been in it. I would have been in it if I was looking at it at the right time. So I'm going to try and get in here. Really, I can only get 100 shares. I'll be risking low a day. So yeah, it's right there. Alright, 100 with a stop at 52. 71. Pins, not doing anything. Mark pulling down me pretty good right now. D-Dog, we got a little bit of trouble here. We're not finding it. I should probably get out right now, actually. No sense in letting this turn negative on me. I'll just take a small winner, look to get back in. No, that's not true. I need to remember what trades I'm taking right now. This is an opportunity to look to get in to add more. 52.50, 42.50. I can't add too much here, but I will add. Both 50 we're adding. FSLR is doing okay at the moment. It's going sideways. It hasn't lost anything, hasn't gained anything. Pull down to view up, testing under, retesting higher now. If it can make a new high day, I'll move my stop, but other than that, nothing to do. FSLR is the big one right now. That is a good buy up right there. Gotta like that. Okay. I'm adding more here in D-Dog. I like what we have seen. I will put on the extra risk. Alright, FSLR is doing okay. See what D-Dog can do up here. Okay, good. Got the ad. Lots of green. Looking to take off high day here. Want to see this thing bust this. 220 stopping out underneath of this candle here. See what we look like if we start ripping this tape here. Okay. Everything's moving up for me here. We look good. See what the internal's doing. Advanced decline is very strong today. Tick is still downtrending. It's just kind of basing out from its open. Started off at positive 1,000. D-Dog looks great here. Good volume. D-Dog is above any and every level that D-Dog has ever traded around. So there, I mean, sky's the limit. Pinterest ain't happening. Can move this up to pretty much break even. FSLR is struggling a little bit right now. It's not taking off, but it's not really going sideways either. Either way, it needs a little break, I guess. Overall, still looks good. I mean, it's above the level. That's the main point. Holy cow. A mat looks like a monster breakout's about to happen. I wonder. I'm not sure if D-Dog is a semiconductor stock or not. I know it's tech. Application software. I'm not really sure what that means. Well, I'd hate to see it, but the SPY has reasons to be pulling back here. D-Dog's holding up pretty good, though. Just needs to keep doing it. Spread's getting tight. Got a hidden buyer, and nope, took him. Pretty odd looking candles here. Thing needs to be making a move. If it's gonna be strong. I mean, this is the open. This is where most of the trades go off. Most of the volume shows who's in control after the first 30 minutes here. FSR looking pretty good, giving me a chance to look to add if I want to. Now I'll be looking to add on a pullback to this. Well, we got a kind of an interesting spot coming up here. So, number one, kind of jumped the gun a little bit here. Yeah, I didn't draw this exactly perfect, so where is it? So we are above it right now, but this is going to be a 50% mark here. It hasn't really come into play at all, but it may. Oh, wow. We're not looking too good here. T-Dog not looking fantastic either. Had really good volume on this run-up, but now we got really good volume here. And we ain't going anywhere. We're not losing anything, but you can definitely tell that we're struggling right now. Alright, well, if FSLR wants to hit 54, that's where I'll be looking to get out. That is tandem. Wow, tandem is coming up. That was work. Too bad. I mean, I can't really load any of these because they're all just such thinly traded names. I can't get the data for it. Alright, D-Dog, what you got? Now's our chance. Pulled back to the range, tested the 50. Boeing's coming back up for that high daybreak again. I mean, it might be good this time. I'm gonna take it again. 373.94. Yeah, I had a good risk reward because it was basing out at that 50. This probably looks like it's getting ready to lose it again. Work's about to lose low a day. Probably near break even. No, D-Dog. Well, D-Dog is currently up pretty good, but I don't know, the way I'm trading it, this could turn into a $50 loss here. FSLR's moving nice. Work was okay. Boeing was a typical loss. Damn, too bad on work. Work was a pretty good one. Started off really nice anyway. Alright, D-Dog is pretty interesting right now. I think people are buying D-Dog because now at the opposite end, yeah. Now at the opposite end, we got a huge volume, but these candles aren't going anywhere on this retest. So it's like people are buying, they're absorbing all that selling here. I don't know. This is a pretty odd one though. Spy did lose that too. Damn. Ugly. I got no market support right now. D-Dog's still holding up though. I mean, it is trying right now. I think I'm going to bail on D-Dog. If it drops underneath, looks like 45, I want to get out. I don't want to lose money on this trade, mainly because the SPY's doing this, so the market is not strong right now. D-Dog could be doing it. I mean, it could absolutely pull down right here, rip right back up. But I think if the stock was actually going to be this strong, if this trade was going to be that good, we'd be getting market help. And right now we don't have any market help. I mean, I feel like I'm just sitting around waiting to lose money. I don't want to do that. I will take a small win. I will look to get back in. But if we're going to lose this 50 here, I don't want to be a part of this. I need to pay attention because Boeing still might get me here. We'll see where this next candle ends up opening up here. Because right now we're holding the 40s, and if we're going to continue holding the 40s, then I will up the size a little bit here. And that's what looks like is going down. Nope, not anymore. SPY not helping our cause at all here. Yeah, that's gonna kill me too. I'm gonna get out and it's gonna come right up into this nonsense. I think I'm gonna give it a little more space then, just to account for that possibility. FSLR still looking nice. Got no reason to do anything to it. Stop loss at 45. Do it. Do it. It's not gonna do it. I like it. It's getting tighter and tighter and tighter. Alright, well, Boeing not gonna do it. D-Dog testing this 50 again. Work just lost low a day. Look at those cells. Jeez. FSLR is blowing up right now. That is smart. What is smart doing? Nothing to do right now. Just waiting. That's P-ton. Look for a big breakout in P-ton today. 2686 is the level. It actually just made a pretty nice bull flag. I didn't take that trade though. Certainly could have. Wouldn't have been that bad. Come on, D-Dog. What are we doing? Boeing might come back up to high day. Looks like it could. breakdown was pretty good right here. It's a higher time frame level too. 86 is the number to beat here. All these stocks are coming up on these higher time frame breakout levels pretty quickly. Damn. We'll see what happens on this candle. If it's gonna engulf higher, I want back in, but if it's not going to engulf, I got nothing to do. It does not look good here. Too bad. Level to be holding above is 91, so I mean maybe we'll get something later. FSLR is unbelievable right now. I mean, this is just a straight vertical line. So consistent. Look at that move. Didn't break 54 yet. That's what I'm waiting for here. Damn. And just like that, I got nothing else to look at. There goes P-ton. I believe the 27 was the IPO price. Damn, dude. I should have gone for that 46. Didn't do it. I was waiting for the 86. I mean, I thought maybe we'd base out here a little bit, but we didn't waste any time here. I could have taken this. I absolutely could have taken this trade. Yeah, D-Dog's just getting worse. Big numbers being done here. Looks like sells. Yeah. I'm getting out of this trade. There's no reason for me to hold on to this one for a pullback. What's the low? We got 89, we got 86, so 85 is it right now. Done. We're seeing some good sells up here. I don't need to fight it. Okay, Smart is giving me an entry here. Higher time frame level. Ah, shit. Fuck, where's my risk at? Jesus. Okay, we're in on Smart. This is what we're looking at here. Just another giant trend line breakdown, or breakout this time. It's been running into a little bit of problems lately, but today it's seeming like it's getting somewhere here. So we just got above this pivot zone here, and then we held it. We got above it and we held it to the penny for 4 whole minutes here. Thought looking at it as a micro bull flag, I guess. Freaking FSLR. It busted 54 alright. If Smart can bust 40, I think that's where the real break can happen at. And then we got obviously 41 could be an even bigger one. But as for beginnings to a reversal here, doesn't get much better than this. keep on going. Alright, Smart's doing pretty good here. It's coming up on that 40. FSLR. Unbelievable. I mean, this and Etsy, both of them pretty much the exact same situations here. They've just been getting beaten down, crushed for so long, and they finally come up on these downtrend lines, bust out, and then they just go. I mean, this is, as far as I know, I think this is just a bunch of short covering, like a swing trader short covering. And then you get the weirdo day traders like me that just try and capitalize on it. Have we not had a single trade this minute? There it is. There's 6. There we are out. Ridiculous move. Alright, D-Dog and Work pulled back to the original baseline levels here. They're finding a little bit of trouble. D-Dog's here, a little bit of trouble. Works here, a little bit of trouble, pulled back up to it. Looks like it's getting ready to roll over and get even worse. I don't think I'm looking for re-entries down here. Not yet. Not now. Here comes that pull down. I imagine it could be pretty good here. I mean, this has been a very vertical move for the first 40 minutes of the day. Nothing but buying. Who's looking to get out? Okay, if D-Dog wants to hold this area, I will get back in above 42. But it doesn't look like it's going to be doing that. Why does Home Depot look like it could be a good long right now? I'm looking for other longs up by where? 80 or 38.30. Yeah, I don't see anything. Nothing to do. D-Ton going sideways here, holding it up. I don't know. I don't know. Because I can't say that I feel like I'm chasing it, because you could say that I chased Smart here. Either way, I saw it holding above a higher time frame level. Even if it was just for a little bit. Everything looks like it's getting ready for some relief right now. All these things had pretty big downtrends, and they're all curling up. Pretty much the exact same spot. We got Cost curling up. We got Starbucks curling up. We got Home Depot curling up. What about Lowe's? Lowe's curling up. And Home Depot is busting out a little bit here. stop loss on smart is if it can't hold this area in here. This is the level to be holding above here in smart. And if it doesn't hold it, I don't want to be in it. I'm really looking for that bust out of 40 though. I'll be pretty excited to see that one. See if we can do it. Oh yeah. First, everything's pulling down right now. D-Dog's just losing it. FSLR beginning its pull down. I have chances to look for re-entry in FSLR still. We're just not finding it. I have to go to the bathroom. I think I'm going to go for a scalp breakout here. 500 shares, that just feels like too much. Meet myself in the middle. Because I think we can get a really nice pop here. It's a big level. Yes, it's been old 95 this whole time here, so that will be stop. Wow. Home Depot made that break and it just turned right back around. Alright, let's see something. Yeah, tape's just too slow. Can't really get too much help from XLV just hit new all-time high. Healthcare is hot. That means don't short tech. You're hurting me, Boeing. 372, 94, up to the whole number. You're risking about a point, or not a point, a little bit less. 55 a stop. Yeah, well, that might change here in 2 seconds. Yeah, Smart's pulling down on me here. Might not get that. Come on, Boeing, I want to see this move. Just so tight up here. I'm about to change my risk here because we are not printing any 50s right now. Yeah, there it is. Spoke too soon. Come on. Come on. Spy helping. We got what we need. Just need to find the juice here. We haven't hit 60s this candle this minute. Will be my stop. Smart's still trying to bust out too here. Can't seem to do it. Yeah, 40 is the level. It's not 40.02 or nothing like that. Ah, jerk. I like the technicals, I like the structure. I'm not thrilled with the volume. I like everything else about... I like everything besides the actual stock, which kind of is a warning sign. Maybe I need to reflect my size a little bit better in that. Either way, I want the trade. Alright, well, I'm leaving it here just in case some freak occurrence happens, because I'd rather watch Smart. Oh, here we go. Okay, there's our 40. Who else? I only got 450 shares. That's fine. 450 at 95. Look for a good pop. Keep running for me. The other thing I need to be a little concerned about is average true range here. Smart average range is $1.84. We are safe. We still got 60 cents in us here. Saw good buying, saw good buying. Cumulative, obviously straight up. Okay, well, very slow. My God. Nothing going on up here. Market's helping. Bid stepped up a little bit. We had pretty good volume on the breakthrough. I'm looking for 10 cents out of this thing. I want to see it at 15. Good stuff, good stuff. Print 15, so profit target is hit, so that does mean that I need to change my stop to break even. We've been in a pretty interesting market this whole week here. I mean, I've just seen some of these names just go. What the flying F? Something just happened at work, and the thing just spiked a whole $0.50. And I am not long. Next stop on Smart is until the next whole number. I mean, it might find something at the $0.50. In fact, average true range would put it at about 70, so $39, $80, about $1.75. So we got 50 more cents here to go. Oh, that's some good buying there. Boeing once again making its round back up. Still might get that trade. I don't like how spready it's getting right now. Boeing is really trying to bust out up there. I really want to see that one happen. I might be able to get that 100. I'm watching it over on my trading view chart here. Just trying. And SPY. Smart here again, slow but consistent. Stepping down a little bit now. Well, I could just try and get out some right now. Okay, well, somebody took me a little bit. I mean, this is a very dead tape right now. SPY's rolling over a little bit on us. Can only assume so much. D-Dog, total failure. Okay. Took me, that's cool. 250 to let go here. Ooh, big selling here. Yeah, that's people taking profits all right. I'm not going to let this thing go underneath of 40 anymore. I will be all out. 96. What the hell is that? If I was looking for a re-entry in First Solar, what do I want? 65 is a really good spot. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait a while. I don't know. I don't know about this one. Just boom, boom. Peloton's doing fantastic. That was a really nice long. Okay, a map is kind of interesting because this is very near an all-time high. Yes, 6240 is all-time high here, so had a nice little breakout here, very slow, very trendy. So I want to take this breakout at high a day, and I'm going to take, man, really nice technicals here. So We're going to go for 2 entries here. So the first is going to be an LT into the higher time frame breakout. So I'll be risking about 40 bucks. Yes, we want that. And then 40, we are going for the scalp breakout, which I may end up risking 20 cents on. So that looks about right too. Very nice, very nice. Google making a move today. Well, nothing to do here. Just let things do what they're doing. Still waiting on Boeing. Home Depot's kind of looking strong to me here. I mean, the bigger move is going to be a ways away. But if it's showing all this bullishness underneath of it, I feel like the chances of it getting there are actually pretty good. There's first hour of the day. I don't know, 50 is kind of an important level to Home Depot. It's not super special. Okay, I am going to take this trade. I want it. I'm going to split my order up into a little bit here. Risk is not that much at all, so that's good. So I'm going to have 100 and the risk is going to be anything underneath the VWAP here. I don't know. Something feels good about this trade. This is probably the most lenient trade I will have taken. And if I'm wrong, I definitely do not need to lose that much money on it. But if I'm right, it's a really good segue into a higher time frame move. Alright, looking to take profits off on Smart again. It's still rolling for me. Oh, I'll revisit it though. In a little bit on a mat. Stop losses underneath. We'll see if we get to 40 here. Very low volume here. Ooh, big sells in Smart too. And we're making a run for it. Getting bigger. I'll do that. Yeah, Boeing's struggling. Might not happen. Might be starting a downtrend now. Internal's very tight around 0. Internal's actually kind of weak. Market not looking that strong at the current moment. Alright, lots of sellers here in a mat too. Taking half off on smart. I mean, it's just such an unbelievable move. I mean, it's almost the same as FSLR. Am I really going to let this thing pull down 80 cents on me? I mean, who knows where it's going to go higher. Made a new high, I'll take it. I'm fine. Matt does not like this 23. Good green. Let's follow it. I don't need to look at smart anymore. How many sellers do we think there are here? Decent. Not a ton. No reason we can't bust this. Alright, wherever this candle's low is a stop. Okay. Ooh, seeing 23s now. Come on. Let's go touch that 40. Ooh, lots of buyers were there. Oh yeah, I forgot about this Home Depot trade. Still waiting on it. It did dip under here. If SLR is breaking this, I need to see something besides that for one. But I do suppose that seeing nothing happen under VWAP is a pretty good sign. I need to see a little more. I think it's too early to get in on that. Home Depot is coming up. Well, that's certainly going to be a problem, isn't it? Either way, what do you think matters more? New all-time high in the past few years, or an intraday upward trend line? This one's going to be weird. Let's see what happens. We got thinning out volume heading up into it. We have a rising wedge. The buyers seem like they're slowing down pretty good. Maybe this is a good reason to cut this trade early. We'll see what happens. We'll see what it looks like on the way down here. I think a good point here would be the whole number. Because if it's going to bust this and it's going to have momentum, there's no reason this thing can't come all the way back to VWAP here. Yeah, well, we'll see what we look like. That is Home Depot. All right. Yeah, it's ripping up right now. Just better get my other order in. I'm getting a little bit bigger in it. Really good Qs actually right now. If I can get above that 75. That's coming up pretty good here with some volume. Yeah. Maybe trading views just making it look like it. Not a ton of volume, but we did dip underneath this range here. Right back up to it. I do like that. Alright, if a mat's gonna roll over, this is the point to be doing it. Lots of names seem to be rolling over right now. I'm just gonna 95, I'm out. I'll give it a chance to reset here, but the way things are looking, it is not spectacular. Still low volume. Cumulative is taking a little bit of a hit, a little bit of sells in here. You see there's been a bunch of buying up here around these 20s, and now that we lost it, all these buys, they're all underwater right now. That's probably where these big red ones are coming from. Oh, whoa, we're ripping right back up here. Saw a big buy there. So we got Smart still. Smart still doing its thing. No reason to change anything. I mean, what I want to see is I want to see pullbacks hold. I don't want to see them fail. I want to see pullbacks hold. I want to see them hold levels. Wow, what the hell is going on at work here? Is that trade back on? I think I'm going to get back in on work here. Stop loss will be, looks like 70, so I might be risking, so I can get 150 here. Oh, Matt's ripping back up. This is a good sign. Now I do like this a lot. Failing a breakdown. That was work. Alright, we're in on work. First Solar's not looking good. Home Depot is struggling up here. This is kind of interesting looking. Can't quite get above this, but it's getting really tight. I think I'm going for a scalp breakout here. There shouldn't be a reason that this is holding so tight, but because we are so tight, it's really... Alright, we are in on a mat. See what happens. Running into this trend line here. If we can bust through 50, shouldn't be an issue. Damn. Where the hell did my entry in Home Depot go? Oh, that's why it didn't show up. Alright, well, a mat better get me out before Home Depot breaks. Just can't bust it. give it one more shot up here at this 50. If it starts selling off, I'm just going to get out early. See what we got in at 43. Creeping up, lots of sellers. Are we busting them? Oh, we're taking them. Very nice. 43 goes risking 10 cents, so when you see the 53, there's 53's printing, so stop is at break even now. Pretty gross scalp, to say the least. Nothing special happening here. Okay, I want out of this early. If it can give me a spike back up to 50, I want out. If not, I'm just getting out. Just can't seem to lose it yet. Okay, finally out of that. 100, stop loss at 95 still. Yeah, I'll still give it the whole number. But Home Depot can change here. Just a little bit of a flush, see if it rolls back up on us. They look okay. They don't look great. Home Depot is definitely the strongest among them. FSLR dipping underneath the View app. I think the re-entry is here. So we got 65. 65, so I might be risking about 30 cents, so 150. We're looking okay. Pulled down to this level here, come back up. I don't think I'm doing anything though. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing anything here. Alright, so mark going sideways on is pretty good right now. Might be a reason to change my stop here. Yeah, I don't know. Smart's been the strongest of all of them. I think that's the one that I need to hold on to the most. Alright, so we got our stop in the mat, we got our stop in Smart. We have our stop in Work, but it needs to be working better. And we'll see what happens here. Failed breakdowns are good. Alright, Alright, so I am going for a scalp and an LT ad here. So the LT is going to be another 50, but the scalp is going to be pretty big. Geez, how much can I get? Damn, not even that. Yeah, it's FSLR at the moment. FSLR is the one that's hurting me. Oh shit, come on. Alright, we can get 350. So 300 on the scalp. Which is pretty good. Might be risking about 20 cents, so I should be right on it. Yeah, a mat is just going through that rising wedge. It cannot bust out of anything. I am looking at FSLR for a chance to get back in on it here. We'll see what happens with it. Wow. Yeah, that 250 could turn around real fast on me though. If I take losses on all these trades that I'm in, that'll probably turn into 150, maybe even worse. It might turn into 100. Just want to make sure I don't give too much back on the day. Alright, Home Depot. Whatever you want. Feel like I have a good reason to add to work here. Testing back inside this range. Possibly failing a breakdown here. I don't know, this rejection up here. I mean, there wasn't a ton of volume here. We still got low volume though. SPY is ripping up here. Oh, a mat. Well, there's our move, I guess. Too bad couldn't hold the scalp that long. Why do I feel like just getting out of this? Still big buying up in here. I mean, it just made a new all-time high. Do I really want to get out of a stock where I got a good position and it just made a new all-time high? Average range is $1.13. It's already gone $2.50, so we're past 2 now. Yeah, that might have been a reason not to take the scalp. That would have been right on top of that 2 ATR move. Either way, we're here. My biggest issue right now is my buying power. Alright. There's other things I need to take here, so I'm not going for the scalp ad. I will go a little bit bigger of an ad though. Just because I like the trade itself. Because I want to be able to add to stocks that are actually doing something for me. So 96. So I will have 100 with an average cost of about 95. No, I'm not. I'm already at 150. So if I add another 150, I will have 300, average cost of 95. I could lose 20 cents, so about 60 bucks. Do I like to trade that much? Yes, I do. So I think we're good here. The other thing was FSLR. FSLR is getting super tight here. 64 would be it. I'm de-risking about 30 cents, so 150 is still there. So we got our Home Depot, we got our Smart. Alright. Smart's taking its sweet time right now. Really long basing out sideways here. It's definitely a good thing. We haven't pulled back, rather we're just holding above. And to be holding above this far above 40 is a really big deal, so I like that a lot. Lots of selling I'm at here. And we finally got the Home Depot. Work coming close. Is doing his best. Yep, everything just let it work. Let it go. Ooh. Damn, Nike was a good long. Bust out pre-market, pulled back to that 92 and held it, and now it's ripping. Damn. Too bad. Oh my god. Luckin' Coffee. What the hell is this? It's got locates on it. I can't short it. Could buy some puts. That's about it. Luckin Coffee average range is 87 cents. Yeah, just letting everything go right now. Got nothing to worry about. 24.56 would be a third ATR move. That's work. Work got me. Wait a second, no, that's not what I want. It won't work. Right now would be entry here. I don't think I'm gonna take it, but I'm just curious, so I'll watch it. Home Depot's still struggling at that 70. Can't quite find it. Need work to hit high day here to start taking off. Smart Sheet's still doing good. FSLR still sideways. Home Depot just can't find it yet. Just can't seem to do it. It's still getting tighter and tighter and tighter, so I mean the trade is absolutely here. Yeah, we'll see what happens there. 125. What do I want to do here? No, this trade needs to be going. It's a lesser setup, it's a B setup. I don't need to give it every possible space imaginable here. Anything underneath this 40, I'm out. I mean, if it was a better setup, had more confluence around it, had better looking anything really. There's just no higher time frame context around this certain situation, not yet anyway. It needs to break high day and then some. Then circumstances might be different, but I'm not taking that chance. Smart's getting a little worrisome here. Now I've been going sideways for a little too long. That was FSLR. Alright, we are in. Damn. In 5 names right now. 39, we are out. Home Depot is gonna do whatever it's doing, I guess. Work's still trying up here. It got me at 98. Lots of sellers. We're still in the mat. Can't forget about a mat. A mat's the weird one. Okay, I'm out of a mat at 30. mean, it can certainly continue still. Yeah, for all I know, this could just be a grindy move all day for the rest of the day. Alright, I'm also getting out of work underneath of this 80 here. Needs to be making a move. Yeah, lots of cells in here. That won't load for me. Yeah, nothing but cells. Jesus, nothing but cells. We found a ton of cells right here. Just nothing but cells all in here. And now we're creeping back up. Oh, nope. Some buys came in there. And that is new high day, so I'm already looking to take off half. If slack can break, if slack can break 27, I think something special can happen. First level to be 16. There's a good zone, a good 10-cent zone from 26 to 16. Tons of volume here, very nice. And that is 10 o'clock. Alright, work is freaking out here. Hate to see it reverse on me, but gotta deal with it. Great volume, should continue. Should continue. No way. I remember when Log Me In was like a $10 stock or something. Just hit the reversal scanner is all. Okay. Hate to do it, need to do it though. Need to do it. Love to see more out of you. Home Depot's still getting super tight around that mid 70. Just can't bust it. Needs to get out. Yeah, come on, work. Come on. I forgot I'm taking profits. I'm not exiting an entire position. We'll leave 200. Alright, FSLR is ripping up. Very nice. And once again, can't forget about a mat. Very nice. That was work. Too bad. 200 to let go. Stop is going to be 82. I mean, at that point, I might as well give it a VWAP test too. No. Either way, we out. Forget it. Don't need to lose money. Don't need to risk it. FSLR, very nice pop. Very good volume confirmation. Looks fantastic. Let it do its thing. I'm at... I'm up 50 bucks on the trade, and I lost like $6 from the scalp. I mean, you can just tell that this rising wedge is getting so tight. We got an overextension. Average range is $1.13, so... $62.48. Yeah, I mean, I literally took that trade right into that next average true range. 63.61. So we still got a ways to go for average true range to come into play. Damn, dude. Work took my partial, hasn't gone a penny lower. Stupid. Stupid. Obvious levels to be holding above here. Home Depot, not finding it. Stops at 41. Do I really want to give it even 41? No, I don't. I'm moving this up even more. I will give it 52. Oh, click the button at the perfect time. Yeah, too bad. If it wants, I will look to get back in on it, but it's actually gonna have to definitively get up here. Only 100 shares. SLR doing whatever still. Smart doing whatever. Smart is giving me a new stop loss though, because it'll bust this trend line and then some here if it wants. So the spread can get as wide as 5 cents. I'd like to not get out on noise, so I think 13 should be right on it. Good volume. Are there reasons to add? You know, are there reasons to add to Smart? Hasn't gotten above 32 in like an hour. The bid is up there. The offer is there too. Why not add here? Why not add here? I'm adding here. Alright, so now we got 275 on Smart. Stock's been strong the entire day. It's held, gone sideways. SPY's ripping up, making new high day with some volume. Internals are getting very strong at this moment. I see no reason not to add this. Home Depot is coming back up too. I might get back in on that. The mat's still doing its thing. I mean, I suppose I should be looking to take profits. I mean, I really didn't expect this trade to do this much for me. 70 taking a half. If SLR's trying, might get that scalp chance on Boeing still. I cannot believe Home Depot's coming back. Doing work. This tray should not come back here. The match is just rolling. Smart doing good. New high day. Look at those sellers. Jesus, why are there so many sellers here? No clue. No way. Johnson and freaking Johnson. It was decent. No. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Home Depot did get back up there. That's crazy. Alright, 35, I'm out of this thing. Definitely light risk right now. Not ideal. Alright, Smart really needs to bust these guys. FSL are taking a while right now. Not great, but also not that bad. Good volume. I mean, it's got reasons to take its time, I guess. Work is trying. Alright, so Smart made a high day push. I mean, I can't do anything yet. Still waiting. These are long-term entries, so must wait for any and all pullbacks. Home Depot moving okay. Higher day is going to be above the whole number still. I mean, there's plenty of levels to go in Home Depot. Come on. What are you doing? Come on, man. What you waiting on? Dead volume. Absolutely nothing here on this pullback. Home Depot, you jerk. Let's go. Gotta wait. Everything I'm in, just gotta deal with it. Look at that reversal. That's a good one there. Nothing to do. Nothing to do. Nothing to do. Matt's about to get me out. That'll do it. Damn, man. Too bad here. That could have been a nice one. I mean, it had everything it needed. So that was at 13, 275. And I hate to give back that much. Too bad. Yeah, it's the first time it's hit 18. Screw me. Damn, dude, everything's rolling over on me. I got nothing going for me here. Got a deal. Sucks. Stupid. Hey, man. Gave up about $40 there. something. Damn, man. Where's all this failure coming from? Everything's taking a hit here. Internals aren't. Internals are still very strong. I mean, we got plenty of reasons to be moving higher still. QCOM might be a decent short. Whirlpool. Nothing to look at, nothing to watch for. I'm gonna be real pissed if FSLR comes, dips underneath this, and then rips back up again. There's Home Depot. Stupid. Smart's back at this 40. I am not sure that there's a re-entry here. I need more information. I'm going to add to FSLR for pretty much the exact same spot. I've already got 150. Find a good buying down here, still defending this. Yeah, I'm adding. Hopefully work can start working for us. Nothing but buying. Just kidding, that's selling. Which I suppose is a bad thing. Try to come up here. Yes, now's the time. Do something. Do something. If it does get above this, with a good push here, I'll move my stop to underneath of this. It's like 88. Oh, come on. Find the power. Let's get above this. Can't do anything yet. Well, gotta leave it alone. Working on stats. $10.30. Work's got some volume blowing off here. Lift. Wow, lift is blowing up pretty good. FSLR. See if it can roll. I mean, it looks good. We got another big volume spike here. I see no reason this can't continue. I mean, we got everything we need. I suppose I could reduce my risk a little bit. But I like the trade. I want to give it the space. Yeah, I'm not going for Home Depot. Okay, can do stuff and work here. I don't know why I did that. Work's making a move. Would love to see work hit 22.26. That would make me. Oh man, we missed it. Sucks. Alright, anytime FSLR, anytime. Yeah, that's all we got to work with here. Just let them go. Someone needs to bust this. Why can't we get above this guy? Whatever. If it goes, it goes. If FSLR profit hits 70s, it looks like it did bust it. Work doing nice. It's come back up. Making its way. FSLR, I mean, it is trying. God, do I want to add again to FSLR? Why not? It's holding levels that it should be holding. It's not disrespecting anything. We have volume cues, we have tape cues, we got market support. Why aren't we going anywhere? $300 shares is pretty big here in FSLR. This thing can move. I may be risking $100. Right now I'm at 67. These entries are pretty much the exact same. Add 50. Yeah, the exact same. Okay, I have an idea of what I want to do here. I'm going to add 150, and this 150 needs to go. If this 150 doesn't go, I'm cutting it underneath of this 58 here. Alright, any day, anytime. Work's still doing good. Gotta wait here. Let's see if I'm 200 long. This thing gives me another high day push. So if this hits 110, I know it's probably a high day. He is coming back a little bit. Excuse me, FSLR. What's wrong with you? Work looking alright. FSLR. Come on, man. You gotta find it. You keep finding it over and over again. Man, the 5-minute looks fantastic. We're just getting so tight here. Would love to see this thing just squeeze higher. So big right now. At the same end, it could just be a giant failure. I mean, I've taken this trade a bunch of times on the daily. I mean, I think this day was one of them. I think I went for it here too. Might have gone for it in here, and each one of them has been a failure. Who knows? This one might fail on us too. Slack is failing, pulling down pretty good here. Yeah, work's struggling a little bit too here. Still good volume. I mean, it came back up. Can't do anything. Got a low to be. AnthonyLarro's just getting annoying though. I don't want to exit early. I want to give it this space still. I mean, God, look how tight this is getting. I mean, we are coming right up on it here. Moment of truth. I hope the buyers win. And if they do, I think I'm changing this to 62. We're gonna go 75, and we're gonna go another 75 above this, 68. Or we are stopping out underneath of this. Wow, well, hold on a second. Do I really want to give this that much room underneath of this? Because it's been constantly stepping up here, getting tighter and tighter. I mean, if this does start breaking down, I imagine there could be a pretty significant washout here. So maybe I do want to get out a little early ahead of this. Already showing 48s. What's this, low 47? Alright. Because if it starts finding it, I'm pretty afraid the momentum is just going to kill it. And we'll just see a big sell-off. And I mean, if that is the case, what am I going to do? Wait for it to find 6 cents of support? Just get out. Okay, well, work just freaked out and almost made a new high a day. That was kind of weird. Not sure where all that volume's coming from. Again, 26 is the big level in work. If we can get above 26, I am very excited to see what will happen. High day will be a start, though. I have seen this pattern quite often. Oh. As soon as I say something. Well, I was looking for the long. 66 on one in. I can get absolutely massive as long as that doesn't happen to me. Yeah, we'll revisit it. We'll see what happens. I want to watch FSLR here. I want to see this thing move. I want it to go. Come on. SPY still strong. Internals actually downtrending a little bit at the moment here. Alright, we'll see if work can make a new high day here. It came within 2 pennies of it. Alright, FSLR is making a move. Come on, buddy. Yeah, work is right on top of it. Might get something. Here's 11 o'clock, man. What a Friday. Stop is changing in work here to 93. Still really don't have much to work with here. Come on, man. Just go. Just explode. Don't like FSLR. the bathroom. If I hear any dings, I hope they're good ones. I assume we're still good. And what are we doing? I mean, it can't get much tighter. I think Slack's about to make something happen. Spy's still ripping up here. I mean, I don't know what First Solar needs. What's going on? What is the problem? Oh, First Solar is a semiconductor stock. I didn't know that. It is a specialized semiconductor stock. Well, the semis are currently pretty sideways, so that actually will make a difference. Or it came right up to high a day, tapped it, pulled off. With the semi ETF, I mean, it's pretty much the exact same as FSLR. Look at that, it's got this little minor uptrend line, failed to break out, trying to do something. I guess NVIDIA is the big semiconductor stock today. Looks okay. Don't know if there's anything wrong. Not a ton of support. Still working on stats. See if work can make a move for us here. Why does it look like Smart Bike B? FSR, you ass. What are you doing? Move up. Oh my god. So thin. Came down to this 40, coiling around it, find a little bit of trouble above, but it is here. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna go for it though. Make a move. 26. 26 is the number. Let's see it. What can we do? Oh, that's just sucky. Can't believe it's not getting me out yet. It's not losing it. I mean, as long as it's not losing it, I'll still be here. Who knows? Maybe we'll get something, maybe we won't. This little zone back in here. Nice 3-day range in there. Constant highs, constant highs, constant highs. Couldn't find it, couldn't find it. Well, what about today? Rearranged my setup a little bit. Don't need to stare at 5 separate screens anymore. Man, look at all of them. They've been here this entire trade too. There have constantly been sellers in this trade, and we keep taking them out. Come on. Still been here. Nothing has really changed in this stock. We may be lightening up on volume a little bit. Alright, semi-ETF looks like it's about to break down right now, make a new low. I'm certain that will not help. Lots of good volume here. Yeah, we'll see what happens now. There's still sellers here. They aren't going away. I know it's more than 2,400 and just looking at it. That's good. That's good, what? 100,000? Because that's... No, that's 10,000. Yeah, semi-ETF is breaking down. I'm sure that will not help FSLR. Profit target is here, so I'm looking to take half off. Current take is at 22. Certainly pretty boring trade. Oh, that's right, I already took half off, that's why. Good moves. Still huge volume. Fantastic. Could be an all-day runner. I mean, it's got everything it needs. Tons of space here to fill. I mean, this might be a problem up at 60, but as far as I can tell, I mean, sky's the limit right now. We can go. Home Depot has just been a nightmare to look at. Smart is moving up a little bit. Surprise. Well, how about that? We're trying here. So we failed lower, spike back up. Enough to get me in. One order hit 62. Come on, dude. Stop loss is the same, just now it's with bigger size. Swear to God, if I see another little pop fail here, I mean, we saw it here, it's like, okay, we got good volume, this looks great. Sold off slowly. Okay, we got good volume again, another spike looks great. Sold off slowly. Little pop again. Sold off slowly. Little pop again. What's different? Anything different? Has anything changed? Spy's about to make a new high day. Semi ETF was going to break down. It did make a tick lower here. Is not following through. Q's turning up right now. Should help FSLR. Come on. Got everything you need. profit. 102 let to go. Stop hunching. Hurt myself. Wow, Smart is blowing up. Impressive. Just had to wait all day, I guess. Oh man. Ooh, that would have been really ugly. Ooh. Alright, come on. Look at that. Didn't pull back the VWAP here. Couldn't get underneath of that 58. Looks fantastic. Let's make a move. Looks average true range is $1.05. Getting pretty close actually. 50 we're gonna have problems here. Might be a good spot to look to cover more. Well, any day. Market's getting a little weak right now. Internals are half and half. They're kind of confirming, but they're also not. Either way, I'd much rather see up than down here. FSLR is just, I don't know. I really don't know. Must remain. One way or another, we're gonna move. Maybe. Could just go sideways for the next couple hours. Well, losing VWAP's not good. was in at 46. I will keep it there. Work's pulling down on us. I made a new high, so technically this 22 is a stop out spot. But there's still a reason to hold it, so I am going to hold it. Yeah, stuttering around 250 all day, really. FSLRs never did anything for me. Gave some back on smart. Yeah, I think mainly FSLR is the main culprit here. Well, let's see if we can find anything. It's 11:30, pretty late in the day. Only really looking for scalp longs. Interesting. High's 44. This hit 45. So it failed under yesterday's high day. Coming ribbon back up. I don't know. Something feels off about it. I'm not gonna take it. Weird. What is all this? Alright, ATVI is making a move. Only a penny. I'm starting to think I need to get involved in swing trading, because I was literally watching this thing down from 48. Traded it here, traded it here. That is a real nice move. Ooh, Cisco about to break low a day. Could be good. Bad. This is a big 50% retracement, and it seems to be coming into play. Wow. Man, look at this. We had an original failed breakout higher turned into a failed breakdown. And now this thing is just a monster ripper. Wow. There might be a trade here. I mean, it's just a huge bull flag. Let's see. Average trade is $1.78. This thing has gone about $2, so I mean it's past it. If Baba was good, it's going right now. Interesting. Ooh, Baba is good. Yeah, Baba's ripping. Roku's always a fun one. mean, it could still be good. Yeah, there's Baba. Wow. Look at that. Failed higher. I have seen Tesla dump very many times. I think there's going to be a trade here. No higher time frame references around us. But Tesla can definitely make some really good moves, man. It's really tight. Like, where's this coming from? This thing's got like 15-point ranges, and then all of a sudden today, it's been stuck inside 3 points. How does that happen? 60. Alright, if Tesla's a loser, it'll be my last trade on the day. I'm going to, number one, get bigger. Good vibe coming into it. A little bit of a bump here. I like it. Oh, V's getting super tight too. V is rolling. Okay. So we're waiting on Tesla. Thinking we can get a bunch of stop outs in here. We're well below it. Not much else to look at here. Yeah. 20-cent spread. Wow. Baba was pretty good. He's moving. Jesus. Here comes Tesla. Maybe. Maybe a good long now. Might be something both ways here. If it's gonna come up with that kind of momentum, okay. FSLR has got to be stopping me out any second. Alright, if Tesla goes right now, yeah, we're taking this thing either way. Very quiet. Alright, might be coming. I'm right where I want to be. I am a little on the big side, but I think I like this trade enough. Unless it's gonna pull down on me. And we got problems. Yeah, only 1 9 hit here. stop loss looks like about, yeah, still about the exact same spot. I didn't see any 20s go off in here. So we got 125. See what we can roll. Got good volume coming into it. Lots of green. Not exactly high relative volume. Looks good. Number to beat here is 72. It's right on it. I am looking for mid 80s on this, so if we, yeah, might as well say 90s. If we get 90s, that's what I want. Hopefully we can roll here. Kind of come back. Yeah, bid's dropping on me. Damn, bid's really dropping on me. Okay. That was FSLR. Damn, dude. Too bad. Just couldn't do it. Ah, fuck. Forgot about Roku. Roku's busting out right now, too. And it's busting out good. Made a whole point move. See if Tesla wants to follow suit. Lots of names seem to be busting out right now. Work's busting out, too. Where's Tesla at? Come on. Alright, depending on where the bid drops to will be my stop. Come on. Got a little bit of a volume bump. I think we have a situation here. I think we have a situation where I can actually add a little bit more right now. Nope. Just kidding. I kind of feel like adding to this trade right now. I'm gonna go for it. I'm swinging. If I'm wrong, well, stop is still relatively the same. I think we can make a nice move here. If it goes, it should go. So I'm gonna reduce my risk to, or my stop to whatever the bottom of this recent candle is gonna be. Dipped under, got bought up again. Come on. I suppose I could do this. Alright, we got that ad. Stop us at 40 here for 200. Tesla needs to run, and it needs to run now. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Is that a hidden seller? No, he's gone. Great volume. Tape looks fantastic here. Just needs to go. Where's the buy and where's the aggression? Whole number. If we can get the whole number break, 30 does not seem far away here. Sellers here took them, and the bid immediately stepped up. Very nice. Yeah, we'll see what happens up here with this trend line. Okay, I am rather big at the moment, so I'm gonna take off a little lighter, a little earlier. If it drops this whole number, I'm gonna cover some. If we can bust this trend line here, I mean, we got good momentum coming up into this right now. Would really love to see this thing keep it rolling for me. Bid's not dropping either. It's not giving up the whole number. Yeah, Tom just doesn't look right to me. It's not giving me any numbers, not giving me anything to work with. If that's going to be the case. Oh, work is blowing up. Very nice. We can bust 30. Let's see it. High day is not far away at all right now. $47. Big numbers. Big numbers. And to think we were almost short. It's that close. All the more reason day traders have to remain adaptable. Hi, oh my God. Please and thank you. I don't want to give any of this back. It's a high day bust out. I need to be patient. I am making it 35. Spy's also doing that. That won't help. Oh, thank God it took me out. I was terrified that thing was going to skip my order. Alright. Well, good. That's a good way to end the day. That is going to be the last trade for me. I'm not giving anything back. There's no reason to do anything else here. Roku was pretty good. I want to check this one out, though. And it just did. I mean, it just keeps getting tighter and tighter. I mean, consistently failing to make new lows, constantly pressing up higher, tighter. Really nice move. I mean, the entry would have been above this. So I would have probably taken 200 shares. And just blew up. Very nice. But today was, I don't know, today was okay. It wasn't exactly like last days here. We actually had some decent moves that didn't completely give up. I mean, in some cases, it was a lot like yesterday. Yesterday we had a bunch of really strong opening moves that just absolutely collapsed. So, I mean, it was stuff like D-Dog we saw, stuff like Work we saw. But things turned around. Ended up being pretty good, pretty decent day. That is also a new record for me. I made money every single day this week. So that definitely feels good to say. I almost jinxed myself yesterday. I was talking to my fiance about it. I was like, you know, today could be a pretty special day, and here we are. So I will be doing my report card, all that stuff, reviews and whatnot. I might have taken 100 trades this week. I mean, it was very busy. Lots of stuff to look at, lots of stuff to trade. Whole bunch of stuff going on. So that's going to be it for me on the day and the week. Thank you very much for watching, and I will be back either for a video or on Monday for trading.